Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will show you beautiful seashell crafts ideas. So I hope you will like my videos, so friends. Enjoy my videos of viewers. Let's start today videos. So friends, my first idea is weavers. Make a seashell photo frame. Glue small shells around a plain frame. Add the sand or tiny bird for a beach style. Your friendly photo will look even more special. Next, create a seashell candle holder. Decorate a glass jar with shells and place candles inside it. It's give a warm and relaxing feeling in the evening. You can also make a seashell windchime. Tie shells with string and hang them on a stick or a small ring. When the wind blows, make a soft and a lovely sound. And friends, viewers, my next idea is friends, another idea is seashell jewelry. Paint a large shell with your favorite color and add a little glitter. It is perfect for keeping ring and earring. Try making seashells wallet. Arrange shells into a heart, flower, or star shape on a canvas. Hang it on your wall to bring a beach feeling into your home. You can also decorate flower pot with seashells. Glue them around the pot for a fresh and natural look. And viewers, my next idea is weavers. I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So viewers,